morning. Yeah, I'm about to get my shower, and then I'm gonna try to hit up the bank because last night it wasn't working, and then I'm gonna try to wash my car so I got my stuff.
This is a homage beat. This is a homage beat. a homage beat. This is a homage beat.
You like, and I'm your favorite. Exactly what you need. Yeah, you're my baby. Said I'm grateful for you, baby. Said I'm grateful for you, girl. Said I'm grateful for you, baby. Said I'm grateful for you, I said, baby, tell me how you really feel. Yeah, I know what's up, but shorty, tell me what is really the deal. Cause I've been dipping in these women, making all the wrong decisions. Girl, I'm tripping, cause it's you I'm trying to be with. Yeah, you caught a nigga slipping. Move back the keys to the Jeep, shorty riding shotgun with me, smoking that la la la, getting so high, high, high. Said I'm grateful for you, baby. You know the truth, baby. For you, I'm too crazy, too crazy.
Alright, y'all, so the event is done. We're about to go to Lage Ribbon, DMV, and DMV car meets. So, this is the crew, me, Vince, and Tiff, and A-Rob over there.
This is a homage beat.
It's the enemy. Yeah, we talking shit on the line.
Yeah, if they do this again, I'm definitely gonna do it this. What?
This shit is loud. Reaper. I was trying to get this dude like snapping his car or picturing his car or something. Hey, yo, so I'm home in the house. I'm tired as shit. Yo, that sun kills me, bro. But yeah, in the house, and then I didn't get any sleep as you saw last night.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.